The income of the broker remains unchanged, though the rate of commission is increased from 4% to 5%. Find the reduction in the value of the business. Now, the value of business over here is indicating the sales because based on sales, the agent's commission will be given. So, in such a case, I assume that let initial value of business be rupees 100. I am assuming it is rupees 100 for the reason that the question is talking about percentage reduction. So whenever we are asked about the percentages, 100 is the easiest value. That's why we are using initial value as 100. After that, initial commission rate. It was 4%. Therefore, initial commission value, or you can say amount, will be equal to 4% of the value of the business, which is 100. So I get 4 upon 100 multiplied by 100. See, it became very easy over here, and I can say directly it is rupees 4. We assume that let this is equal to C1, that is initial commission. Then let new value of business is equal to rupees X. Now, because I am talking about the new value, so I am assuming it is rupees X. We cannot assume once again as rupees 100 because question has clearly told us there is a reduction in the value of business. So if original value is 100 and the new value is also 100, so it indicates that there is no reduction. But as per the question, reduction has to be there. Then whatever is the value of X, definitely it will be lesser than 100. But what it is, we will see it now. So the left new value of the business is rupees X. I get over here new commission rate is equal to 5%. Therefore, new commission value is equal to 5% of X, and that is going to be equal to rupees 5x upon 100. I assume that let this is equal to C2. Now, as per the question, it says income remains unchanged. So, since income of broker remains unchanged, therefore C1 is equal to C2, and therefore C1 is equal to 4 and C2 over there is 5x upon 100. So 400 upon 5 is equal to x, and therefore x is equal to rupees 80. See, as I told you, x has to be lesser than 100, which is 80 rupees over here. Now, when I want to find out the percentage reduction, I have to first find out the actual reduction in the value of business. So I will first find actual reduction in value of business or actual reduction in business is equal to original value minus the new value of the business, which is 100 minus 80, and that is equal to rupees 20. But we are interested in the percentage reduction. So I will get over here. Percentage reduction is actual reduction upon original value whole multiplied by 100. So this is going to be equal to 20 upon 100 into 100. So that is equal to rupees. Not in fact, it has to be 20 percentage.